Hey guys, going to show you this 1/10 scale RC Dodge Charger made by New Bright. Perspective. Go back. Go back. Keep filming it. And there isn't really a Lexan body for hobby grade chassis, so I got this toy graded Dodge Charger body, and I intend to take it off the toy grade chassis and then put it on a more suitable chassis for jumps and whatnot. But yeah, there's a number of ways you can go with this body. You can make a modern generally on a modern Dodge Charger, or you can make a police car, a modern police car. Of course, I'm not going to keep these stickers on. They look ridiculous. I'm thinking of something more, realistic with it. Put some police lights on the top, get a push bar. I don't like this bulge on the hood here, but, it could give more character. But, there's other Dodge Chargers you can go with on this. I actually have something original in mind. Or I might do a modern interpretation of an iconic Dodge Charger. Not the generally, but something else. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. I've seen other people turn this particular body into a modern police cruiser. So yeah, you can totally go with that, because a lot of modern police cars use the Dodge Charger.